Hi, this is Brett again, Churchill's Garden Center. We're here doing another installment of gardening tools. And the one I want to do this week is a Japanese gardening knife, weeding knife. Some people call it a Hori Hori. I have one, I've used it for a few years now. This is a great small hand tool. Comes with kind of a sharp edge on one hand, serrated on the other, a nice point. It's great for digging in the soil. It's great for pulling plants out, transplanting plants. I use it for planting bulbs. I use it for a lot of things, good for cutting roots. But one of the best things I use this for is when I'm planting perennials, trees and shrubs. Their root systems are really tight and root bound. This serrated edge does a great job in getting those roots scored, getting them loose, and just a good overall easy tool to have, something that I think you should consider putting in your tool bag for your garden. Thank you.